Hello, hello dear friends. We have the first part, the account tally is the learning. That first steps you have to understanding that basic concept of the accounting. What is the accounts? You should learn before you tally enter basic concepts. Aware about that one. We are discussing what is the tally, what is the tally accounting, what is the business accounting, what is the purchase, what is the sales. That's all concept you should learn before the commencement of the tally. We have first class. I will create the company. There are easy steps. Not worry about not basic knowledge, but we have think with the observation of the accounting concepts. What is accounting concepts? What is the basic accounting concept? That is different. First, we have discussing what is accounting. What is accounting? Simple. It is recording of the classification, summarizing significant of the items and money, transaction of the events, which are the financial character, interpreting of the rules and accounting means the different classification of the money and the detailed money, classification of the money, concept of the money, terms of the money. There is all different parts. That is money. That is accounting. What is the business? Business means it is a day-to-day transaction, purchase or sale. That is trading. Movement of goods, movement of money. That's called business. What is the purchase? Purchase means goods purchased from the businessman from suppliers. The main concept we are using the purchase entry in tally F9. What the purchase means? That means goods purchased from businessman from suppliers. And sales. Sale is goods sold by the customer or trader. When you goods sold, it's called for sales. Purchase return. What is the purchase return? When you have purchased surplus of the goods that is damaged, that is return concept. Purchase, that is return concept. That is purchase return. Sales return concept. Sales return, when you have the sales of the goods, buyer the return, that is sales return. What are the assets? Fixed assets, that is property, that is assets. When you have purchased to business for not for sale, fixed unit, that is called assets. Liability, all amount payable to business concern outside and called liabilities. Yes, or whatever you have received in credit, credit means loan, so payable amounts, it's called liability. What is the capital? Capital is it is the amount invested starting the business person, that is capital. Debtors, debtors who is the owns amount of the businessman. What is a receivable? Is a standard word receivable, which is called debit. Credit, there is payable, that is called credit. Debit, what is debit? This receiving aspect of the transaction is called a debit, is a debtor. Credit, the credit aspect of the transaction is called the credit. Drawing, drawing it is the amount of withdrawn taken back of the businessman from the business for this is personal use, private and domestic purpose. Drawing is made by from cash, goods and assets of the business. Drawing means it's when you invested amount per lakh, example 1 lakh, you get the back 20,000. That is called drawing. What is the 20 from withdraw? That is drawing. What is the receipts? If it is a document issued by receiver of cash to the giver to cash, acknowledged the cash received voucher. You sell, example, you sell the goods, sum of rupees. He given to you cash, that is receipts. When you pay, that is payment. Okay. Account. What is account? Account is a summarized record all the transactions related to the every person, every things, properties, every type of services. Ledger. The book's final entry were accounts journal entry, daily record of the transaction, trial balance. That is a very important concept. It is the statement of the ledger accounts balance prepared by the end of the particular period. To verify accuracy, entries made by the books. It is the accounts. Excess of the credit side over debit side. Profit. Profit loss account. It is prepared by ascertain actual profit loss of the business. Balance sheet. The ascertain of the financial position of the businessman. It is a statement assets and liabilities. Okay. With the all theory class you have done, you should prepare and your concept concentration these aspects.